Hello canoeist, Lisa DeHart here, 3 Minutes with a Maine Guide. The last thing I'm going to show you about the tarp is how to drop it after breakfast, because obviously there's going to be a warm fire, or it's going to be like this, which I like to say is it's not going anywhere. But there's going to be like a fire almost out when you're going to be dropping this tarp. So there is a trick to it, and I'm going to show it to you. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with these middle lines. You're going to take those off and you're going to trim them like I showed you. Then you're going to do each corner. The poles will be last. Okay, so you've got yourself to here. There's the fire pan. You've got all the corners and the sides dropped. The poles are up, and I've left one corner up. Obviously, this entire process is easier. If you're doing it with a partner, you would paddle the gates of hell with. But a lot of people are doing stuff on their own, and I want you to be able to use these techniques, so I'm showing you how to do it all by yourself. Another reason why I love a taut line hitch, what I'm going to do is the line attached to the pole, I'm going to loosen that just enough, and I'm going to lift this pole and I'm going to drop the entire thing back away from the fire. Let's keep loosening. Back away from the fire. Okay, now I'm going to show you one of the coolest things about this tarp setup that the great Mike Patterson showed me. So if you're a canoeist, you're going to want to download this. If you pull into camp and it's raining like a cow pissing on a flat rock, get this dining fly up first, okay? And then, so everybody doesn't end up with an inch of rain in their tents while they're trying to set it up in the pouring rain, here's what you do. You set up one tent at a time underneath the dining fly until you can get the rain fly on the tent. And then you take 2 or 3 people, remember you're on an expedition, you're here to help each other, and you walk those tents down to those where you're going to set it up, and you stake them down. And then everybody sleeps in a dry tent. And believe you me, if I didn't have a setup where I could do that, where guests would sleep dry no matter what, with all their nice stuff they brought on a canoe trip, they would rip that patch right off my shoulder. I'm Lisa DeHart. You just spent 3 minutes with a Maine Guide.